3, 2, watch this. Are you ready to hatch some deals?
The dreamers meet the process of doing and really begin their entrepreneurial journey.
I, investors, am asking you for $5,000 in incubation in exchange for 10% equity in my company.
$10,000 for incubation in exchange for 5% equity in my company.
$5,000 for 5% equity for incubation.
I am seeking an investment of $5,000 to incubate my business.
Falcon investors, this evening we have the opportunity to redefine the way in which consumers view their mobile devices.
Savas is designed so a child could thrive throughout their childhood and focus more on being a kid, not on their disease.
I believe that my purpose is to help other young women make a difference in their community.
Spoken is both simple and customizable. When you put those two features together, you have an incredibly flexible tool.
I love this idea.
Wow, super! That's the way we like to make deals here. 10 grand, 10%. Holy cow.
Will you do that deal at a max of 25%?
Yeah.
Perfect.
It's it! It's a deal!
Thank you. Thank you.
Way to go.
Thank you to our hatch sponsors and those watching the broadcast tonight. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. See you next year for Hatch 2020. Good night.